Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can upload any kind of reel and Facebook account. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we have to open the Facebook. So let's click on the Google Chrome. So what we have to do, we have to open the Google Chrome. Let's click on this, and after that we have to select the profile. And now what we need to do, we have to open the Facebook here. So let's open this. So as you can see, I have already created my Facebook account. You have to also sign in. So let's click on the profile section. Now go to the profile, and after that you have to scroll down, and after scrolling down, as you can see, you will see the option here for the reel. As you can, if you want to go to the live video, you have to click on the live video, and here the photo and video. If you want to upload any photo or video, you have to click on this. Or if you want to upload just a specific reel, then you have to click on the reel. And after clicking on the reel, you need to select the reel, that which reel you want to upload. So I'm going to click on this, and now for example, I'm going to scroll this down. Let's scroll, and for example, I want to upload this one, so we have to click on the open section. And after opening this, what we have to do, we have to click on the next. So let's click on the next, and after clicking on the next, as you can see here, we have to write the details of the video and now we have to scroll down, and here's the option for the boost reel, and all the things are here. And now what we need to do, we have to write the description here. For example, I'm going to write some random things, like I have written this one, that what is and how does it work, like this. And now we have to click on the publish. If you will click on the publish, the video will be published. So I don't want to publish this, so you have to click on the publish, and the video will be uploaded. So in this way you can upload a reel on Facebook. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can upload a reel on Facebook. So see you guys in the next video.